Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Squishmallows cat. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to start right here with a big curve. And it's going to be a little bit narrower at the top. And gets a little bit wider as we bring it down. So just keep that in mind as we draw this curve at the top right here. I'm going to draw that curve, and so it's like my dumpling shape but just longer, and I'm going to bring it down and let's just keep going, and it's all up to you how squished you want your Squishmallow. So you can make it a little bit shorter or taller, it's all up to you. So let's just keep going, draw nice and big, and then we're going to bring it in. Go back and forth so you can see what you're drawing, and about right there I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a flatter curve. Oops, and connect everything. There. So just your basic Squishmallow shape, narrow at the top and wider towards the bottom. Then from there, let's come to the center. About right here in this area, I'm going to draw a little cat nose. So my center about right here. Just going to go ahead and draw a small curve, round it off, bring it to the center. Very delicate little nose. And then we're going to come straight down with a line and then curve up on both sides and cap it off. And same thing here. And then we're going to come to the sides and say about right here, come out, and we're just going to draw these happy eyes. So just draw a curve, and I'm just going to thicken it up. And same thing on the other side, about right here. There. Okay, so now to make it look like a cat, we also need to come about right here and draw two whiskers. And same thing on the other side, about right here and here. And then let's see, of course, the ears. So let's come to the top right here in this area, and we're going to go ahead, and it's a little bit easier for my hand on this side. So I'm going to start about here. And I'm going to go up and curve, round off the tip, and bring it down. Nice big cat ears. And then we're going to draw the inside. So just follow what you drew on the outside and bring it in. So same thing right across. Oops. Right there. And here. So let's go ahead and same thing, just draw this big curve to about right there, round off the tip, and bring it all the way down. And now that I'm looking, I think I curved this one a little too much compared to the other side. So I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit. And then let's go ahead and once again draw the inside. Okay, so now it's almost started. Well, it looks like a cat, hopefully, right? We need to draw some spots. So let's come to the top right here and fill in this space. About right here, we're just going to draw a big curve going across. And then at the bottom here, we're going to draw another patch that wobbles a little bit. Going to wobble it and then fill in this corner. And that is pretty much it, except I'm going to add a big heart right here for another little patch of color. Nice big heart to make this my Draw So Cute Squishmallows cat. I really hope you thought this was a really sweet drawing and that brings a smile to your day and that helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.